Hi, we're here this week to talk about food safety and preventing foodborne illness and other types of food safety concerns. I'm joined with Barb Carr, and she's got exciting news to share with all of you. Tell us, what have we won, Barb?
We have recently won the Food Safety Solutions Providers Award for 2021, and this is given to us by Food and Beverage Technology Review. And we're really proud to say that we're one of the world's leading systematic root cause analysis processes for the food safety industry. So we're really excited about that.
Super excited. We're in the top 10.
Yeah, top 10
Yeah,
solution providers.
That's amazing. Food safety is a must. Stopping listeria, salmonella, those types of outbreaks, it's a key improvement initiative in the food industry. And that's why TapRoot's very helpful in preventing those, not only with just the food, talking about safety temperatures and whatnot, but also the equipment, making sure that everything's operating as necessary so that we don't have any foodborne illnesses, and worst of all, we don't want to have any loss of life. So tell us a little bit more about the TapRoot system and how root cause analysis can improve.
Yeah, the consequences of those things are just really, really bad. So I was talking to someone about this the other day that was in food safety, and they were trying to figure out, well, how is root cause analysis going to help with this? And they used systems like 5 Whys and fishbone diagram, and they just didn't see the real benefit of that. But you know, not all root cause systems are created the same.
That's right.
And TapRoot root cause analysis, we've put a lot of research and dedication to the process, and it is a process. It's not like 5 Whys or fishbone. It's a step-by-step process that's easy to follow. You don't have to have a certain education or be in safety for a certain amount of years to follow it. Not only that, the research and development that has gone into our root cause tree. So you're not developing this diagram yourself or asking from your own knowledge, you know, why did this happen 5 times? But you're actually following a system and going into all this research that we've developed over the last 30 years and getting the knowledge from that by using the TapRoot tool. So the TapRoot root cause analysis system takes you beyond your own knowledge to figure out these problems.
That's it.
And so just using the tools will get you there. Yeah.
That's great. A lot of people think that with root cause analysis that it's something as common knowledge, easy to figure out, but like you said, there's this expert system that comes in there and it does all the performance work for you without you having to have the years of experience as an expert. The program is so easy to use, it's simple, and it can help prevent these types of food safety illnesses and even injuries that can happen in the packing facilities, all the different plants, that not just your local restaurant, but food safety it's actually a very large industry that's not as regulated as you might think.
Yes, and the thing, when the person I was talking to the other day, the thing that he was most excited about is you can learn the whole process in just 2 days. So in our 2-day root cause analysis course, you can start, and then the second day when you're finished, you can go out and use the tools for an investigation.
Yeah, you're TapRoot trained.
Yeah, and use it proactively. That's you know, avoid those things from happening in the first place. That's a great way to use the tool.
Yes. If you're interested in training, you can go to our website, taproot.com, click on courses, and we have courses all over the globe.
Yes.
Now, we're a global company, so worldwide. There's Bogota, Colombia, we're in the States, and we've got quite a few coming up in Canada. And if you're looking to get TapRoot trained, go online and see where we are. We also have other options for training as well. So
we do. We have some virtual options as well, and webinars. We have a self-guided course, all kinds of things. Just go to the website and check it out.
And the best way is to, of course, come to the summit.
That's
if you
right.
haven't heard us bring it up yet, it's coming. It's coming in June 14th through 18th.
Yeah, I think so. It's Summit Week.
Week.
The whole week.
So we've got a pre-summit and then the actual summit. We've tried to put all that together. It's going to be here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and virtual for the first time. And we'll keep it going virtually probably on after this. So check that out as well on our website, taproot.com/summit. And I think that's all the questions I have for you today. So thanks for joining us, Barb.
Thanks, Emily.
I'm Emily, and we will see you next week.
Bye.